Bienial Assembly, kaba khatlai jong North East India Christian Council Women Assembly, kalalong haka Balang Presbyterian Malki naduh haduh tarik mynta bnai. Hakani ke jingiaseng lawan mynta di Kynthei badai na ki Balang ki bahab hapok kanhun jong ka NEICC ki badai na ka jala per jong ka Thain Shatei Lammihngi jong kari India. Hakani ke jingi Kynduh kala penlong ki program per kamtam ke jingi plu jingmut halo kimat ki bakta Kynthei. Nang ta kimat ki badai bat ki imlang salang. Rkc utrai la sami ka khubor khtin ublai da ka message chongmon poi ka badai ka no hikai jong ka Trinity College na Manipur kani ko hikai ka lakren halor ka phang always abound in the work of the Lord with love. Hakani jingiaseng la yoru ya ki koya na kisinot bat ki Balang per la penkut ya kani ka jingi Kynduh lang da ka jingi IT bat simti kam da ki nongkit kam ki bathamai na ki barim.
Women are sometimes ridiculed for being emotional, but we are created in the image of God who can feel. God has emotions. He can feel. That is why when his children have gone astray from him, his heart was broken. He wanted to bring them back, so he sent down his only begotten son because he loved the world. Love begins from God. And we women sitting here this afternoon, we have love. Abounding in the works of the Lord with love. We're not trying to talk about certain simple love stories. We are familiar with love stories, like when we watch Hindi movies, the boy meets the girl, and the moment they fell in love, the music begins, and everybody becomes a singer. And sometimes After the song is over, then there is a small baby. I don't know if the song is very long or if the baby is very young. Okay, we have to think about that. Or in certain Hollywood movies, it makes you cry because they really, really, really love each other because the girl or the boy is about to die. Heart is broken, tears are rolling down, and the guy is not able to sleep. The girl is not able to sleep. They keep on thinking and thinking about each other throughout the night. They don't want to eat. They don't want to involve in any other activities. But my dear sisters, we're not trying to talk about those kind of human-created love. We're trying to talk about love born from the heart of God, inbuilt in us when He created us in His image. That is the love. The love of God is agape. It is powerful. It is dynamic. It can change the hardest of the hearts. It is a very powerful weapon. And that love. How do we start the ministry? How do we begin our venture with that love in our hearts? Because God is love. God loves us so much that He gave us His only begotten Son. His only begotten Son, Jesus Christ, was able to bear every torture, every suffering, every tears, and every pain, the bloodshed on His body, because He loved us. He loved us. He suffered for us up to the extent of death on the cross of Calvary. That is love. So now it doesn't matter if we are emotional, because love is born from the heart of God, passed on through Jesus Christ for the whole world.
to depart too.